Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas, pretty much center strip, well, a little south of center I would say. Checking out tonight one of my favorite places to visit when I'm in town, Eataly. I may not be hungry, but I always work up an appetite just walking through Eataly. Check out the food, the drink, the candy, everything that they have there. Come on inside, let's check it out right now, shall we? You guys know I love visiting Eataly, and I've been to many of them. I think my favorite one is actually in One World Trade Center, downtown Manhattan. But when I'm in Las Vegas, I love visiting this one on the Las Vegas Strip at the Park MGM. This one kind of confuses me though, because, well, they sell like beautiful cuts of meat, fresh fish, dried pasta, typically stuff that someone who's staying in a hotel, which most of us are around here, wouldn't purchase. So I don't know if they're catering to employees or locals who visit the strip, and not too many do. So I don't know, kind of confusing. Maybe you have a kitchen in your suite. I doubt it, but maybe you do. Anyway, regardless, I love walking around this place. I love nibbling on a few things and checking out what's new. Speaking of nibbling on a few things, before I leave here this evening, I think I'm gonna grab a slice of pizza.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
And a shout out to Deborah Camacho, who found Clarice the Miss America crown in one of my latest Atlantic City videos, Lunch at the Park at Ocean Casino Resort. Congratulations, Deborah. A lot of this stuff you just can't find anywhere else on the Las Vegas Strip. Here you can pick up a nice Italian sandwich made with crunchy Italian bread and maybe pick up a bottle of wine and have a picnic out on the Strip. There's a beautiful park south of here just steps away. Or if it's hot out, just enjoy it in here. There's plenty of tables. But today, well, it is really hot outside. It's like 105, 110 degrees, so I'll be grabbing my slice of pizza shortly and enjoying it inside here in the air conditioning. We just passed some prosciutto. It's one of my favorites. A loaf of Italian bread, and maybe a couple of nice slices of cheese, and bring it up to the hotel room. I'm like in heaven. By the way, I've recently discovered when I make pizza at home, instead of using bacon as a topping, prosciutto added last minute so it doesn't burn, but it gets a little bit crispy, is awesome on top of the pizza. But that's splurging, cause yep, it's pretty expensive. You gotta keep an eye on it when it's in the oven, or else you'll ruin the pizza and your budget at the same time. Hey, if you're planning a trip to Las Vegas or Atlantic City or any of the many places that I visit, make sure you check out the playlists here on the New York channel. It breaks it down by city, and I give you lots of tips as far as hotels, restaurants, and attractions and things like that. So check out the playlists here on the New York channel. That sausage flatbread looks pretty good. I think that's what I'm gonna come back for.
Votre toast, je peux vous le rendre, Seigneur, Seigneur, car avec les soldats, oui, les toreros peuvent s'entendre, pour plaisir, ils ont les combats, le cirque est plein ce jour de fête, le cirque est plein.
Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Remember, click on that thanks button, get a shout out on an upcoming video.
Car c'est la fête du courage, c'est la fête des chiens de guerre. Allons, en garde, allons, allons.
So I went back for the Italian sausage flatbread, and it must have weighed about 5 pounds, this slice of mine. And I gotta tell you guys, not too much flavor at all. It was very heavy. It didn't even taste or look like a pizza, to tell you the truth. Very heavy, very tasteless, and I was quite disappointed, to tell you the truth. I've gotten pizza here before and enjoyed it, so I guess I'm just gonna avoid the sausage one in the future.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.